Guys, this field trip was so much fun.
Right.
Oh my god, dude, I am so happy.
Wait, I forgot Ken. Don't drive, don't drive.
He's a doll, dude. God.
No, no. Hey, where are you going? Where?
Oh, look at Spider-Man. He's getting money. Ooh, goodbye, Spider-Man. Go, dude, poop on man. It was so funny. Are you okay, dude?
You guys just suck.
Because you are such a loser.
Shut up, losers.
Who said that? Who said
It's the cool guy in the front. He thinks we're nerds.
Oh, we're not nerds. I'm a cool dude. What was that? What was that?
Oh, it's a monkey.
Uh-oh, a monkey. What's going on?
Does this mean we're heading to a jungle?
I don't know. We're heading to the jungle. What is going on?
I can't hear him.
I don't know what's going on.
What?
What? What?
The jungle.
The jungle.
jungle.
The jungle. What's going on? What?
I hate Ken. He sucks. He's a 0 out of 10. He's a bitch. I don't wanna snitch, but he sucks. He's a loser. He should die. He's a mess in my head, and he is always in my bed. He should get messed up in the head. My name is Buddha-Man, and he is better than you, Blackbird, and he's not a doll.
He's a doll, dude.
He's just a ball.
He's a doll, dude. Come
He's
on.
Not a doll.
Can you just stop singing
Guys,
already?
look!
Where are we at, dude? It looks like we're in the jungle. But where are we? Where's Hardface? Hardface! Oh my god, Hardface! Hardface? Are you okay, buddy? Hardface? Hardface! Hardface! Oh no. Is he okay? I think he...
Let me check him. I'm a nerd. That means Bird doesn't work.
Oh my god. No! Spider-Man!
I'm checking his pulse.
Get out of here!
Hold on, I'm checking his pulse.
No, let me see him. Let me see him. No! Get out of here!
I need to check his pulse.
Spider-Man, are you Hardface? Are you okay? No!
Wait, let me hear him.
Get out of
I'm
here!
giving him air.
You can't give him an air, you idiot!
I hate you.
He's dying. What was that, dude? Are you okay?
We're at the jungle, guys. What should we do?
Actually, we need to survive this world, you know? Yeah, what are we supposed to do, Spider-Man? You're becoming smart, yeah. What are we supposed to do?
Or we could call home.
You got a phone? You got a phone?
Yeah, let's call home.
Oh, wait. Please.
Hello, may I order I'm joking, guys. I'm not gonna... 911, there's an emergency. We're... address? I don't know this address. We're at a jungle. I don't know. Oh, yeah, Spooderman. Spooderman, Jenkins.
Oh my god!
Get it.
Look out! No, get back here, you stupid monkey! Give me Spooderman's phone! Come over, you! You okay, dude? Are you okay?
Oh, mommy!
Oh god.
Kiss my leg. Oh god.
You're a kid, Spooderman. Please don't do it. You. Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat my lines and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die here.
What are we gonna do now? We should survive, or we could just not survive because we have phone.
I'm so hungry.
Well, we could eat him.
Yeah. Eat him?
Well, he's made of cheese. The emoji thing for the circle is made of cheese. He likes macaroni and cheese.
Good idea.
So let's eat him. That was so great.
Oh, I'm gonna poop. What do I poop? Where's the nearest toilet?
You gonna fart poop?
Yeah, I'm gonna poop.
You don't have
It's already nighttime. We've been eating for hours.
I don't know yet.
I'm gonna go poop. I'm gonna poop right here.
Okay,
Hey, Blackbird, wanna see something funny?
No. We don't want that. No. How, you do it. No, do it. What are you doing? You can't do that. Run.
I'm constipated.
Oh God, this is so disgusting. Oh my, yeah. What do we do now, Iceberg? We lost in here. What in the God's name are we supposed to do? Looks like we're gonna be trapped here forever. Forever! But it's nighttime! What are we supposed to do, Iceberg? Oh my God!
Did I just give birth?
No, you did not.
God, is that my child?
It's poop. It's poop. You did not give a child. You're not pregnant. What was that? What was that? What was that?
Blackbird.
No, get off of me, you.
I'm just trying to protect myself.
You can't just do that, you.
Guys, we have to find a home and say, guys.
How are we supposed to get a home, dude?
A cave.
It's a cave?
Yeah.
How are you supposed to do that? Oh, God.
I think we should build a shelter.
A shelter? How are we supposed to do that?
I watch Minecraft videos. Then you gotta do this, and then it.
That's not how you do that.
Watch this. Fortnite! Oh, yeah. I'm doing some build. Guys, I'm stuck.
Dude, just
Guys,
because.
I'm stuck.
Just
Guys, I'm
because.
stuck.
Whatever. Just because the videos of Minecraft always make this, does not even mean that you can build it in real life. Let's ditch this loser.
No! Oh! You know what? Fine. What do you got? Oh my God, ants! Oh my God! Oh my God, help me! Oh Jesus! Oh my God!
Well, looks like we're the birds. I know, right? We're the birds. What was that? What? I don't know. This is kind of boring. Let's just go to sleep. Oh yeah, dude. You farted. I'm sorry, I just farted. Jesus, Blackbird, you farted. Oh God. Sorry, it was my fart morning. I'm sorry. That's okay, dude. I'm kind of hungry. Oh, mama. Is that what I think it is? It's Sally!
Howdy, y'all.
Hey, dude, it's my girlfriend. Don't do that. But she's my girlfriend, Iceberg.
Oh, hey, Osbert. What are you doing here?
Oh, we're just lost. Can you help us find us home?
I don't know where home is because I live here.
Do you not know the address?
Nope.
That's what they all say. But please, what we should do now?
I don't know. Just live here.
Well, you look so lovely today, huh?
Get away from me.
Please, Mike. Ah! Yeah, stay away. She is my girlfriend now. Iceberg, you can't do that. She's my
We're gonna
girlfriend.
get married here.
Where's Cecilia? She broke up with me like a few years ago. That's what they do. Because exactly how it feels. Because we're having a good time. Iceberg, you're the worst. No. Okay. But I love her. Fine. You can love her. But I will miss you.
Yeah, Osbert. Oh my God, get out of here.
Okay, bye.
You're gross.
Yeah. You know what? No. I'm good.
He can live with us, but like, I don't want him near me.
Alright, I can live with you. Oh, I just want to... Okay, baby, you want to have a good time?
Yeah.
Isn't so freaking fair. Oh my God, this is so retarded. I don't know what to do. I have to go. I don't know where I go home. It is so bad. I have no idea what to choose from. I need to do something better. What the heck was that? Iceberg! What, dude? I'm trying to have fun. No, there's something wrong with it. What's going on? What happened? Nothing's... What the? It disappeared. What? That doesn't make any sense like this. What's going on? You know what? I'm just gonna lay down and relax. What the heck? That noise. I'm trying to sleep. Iceberg, Can you deal with this echo thing?
Oh yeah, did I tell you there are scary monsters in this jungle?
A scary monster? A scary monster?
Yeah, every few days a monster comes and they'll bite you.
Oh,
but
crap.
you're gonna have to learn how to fight them back.
I know how to fight. Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Do you know
Ow!
how to
Jesus Christ, Iceberg, what the heck was that about you? Ow, dude, stop
Hey,
it!
stop fighting! Stop fighting!
Ow, sorry about that, dude. You idiot! Ugh. Okay, sorry about that, Sally. What do you need? My good
Well,
old friend.
there's monsters all around us, so you gotta learn how to fight.
I know how to. I know we learn to fight. You don't know how to fight. Whatever, guys, don't be
Alright
rude.
guys, let's come to my rock. Usually I sit here and eat my food.
Is this our house, dude?
You wanna have a house in the jungle, you're gonna die.
Well, we can just live with you. I can come.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Let's just, deal with this thing later and we'll get started. Uh-huh.
What is that? Hello, Spooder Man. What? Ken? Ken, I thought I left you at home. Spooder Man. I am your best friend and boyfriend, and I love you so much. I love you too.
He's a doll, dude!
Who said that? Whatever. I'm gonna start making my house because I don't need those losers. Wait, Ken, where'd you go? Alright, let's get started. Minecraft. So, gotta chop down some trees. I got this. So here's my door. Oh.
Lame.
So here's my door. And here's my walls. And here's my kitchen. And here's my Ken room. That's a house. Yeah.
So lame.
That's my bestest house. They never need me ever again. I'm gonna live here forever. Oh. Thank God. Thank God. Oh, Ken. Oh, Ken. Spooder Man. Oh, Ken! Do you like my house? I like your house, Spooder Man. Oh, Ken, where did you go? I'm right here. Ah! Oh, Ken, where did you go? What is... What is... Oh, God. Okay. I'm gonna sleep here forever.
Wasila, wadi.
Food, I mean,
Booga.
Hey! Alright! Spider-Man! Kang! Kang! We're going home. Get over here. Blackbird, what are you doing in the jungle?
Blackbird, I've been looking for you everywhere. What?
What?
You sound like Tasmania.
Ken.
What? Who's Ken? Who's Ken? Stop touching me! Stop touching me! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Hey! What?
Listen to me. If you don't kill them, I will kill your entire species.
He's a monkey, Ice Whitebird. I can't believe this block went to take my car.
Get them.
What do I do? What do I do? Uh-oh. What are you doing? Get them! Let's go home, Blackbird.
Blackbird, what are you doing?
Mac cheese!
Shut up, I hate you! I hate you, you're so stupid. Come here.
What are you
Waka smika laka waka divorce. Waka liga divorce. Don't say that. I don't dare. I don't dare. Okay, everyone, shut up. Let's go home. Everybody come in. Come on, everyone.